The multi-profile bit from Freud allows you to create a wide range of molding profiles using a single bit and just changing the height and fence settings. And while it may seem hard to understand at first, I'll show you some tips for how to get the most from this bit. I started by creating a simple CAD drawing of the bit. Then, using a square to represent the top and fence of my router table, I can isolate individual sections of the profile to be able to cut whatever profile I need. I can use the lower section to create a bull nose or a bead with a step top, bottom, or both. Then moving up the profile of the bit allows me to isolate the profiles needed for a simple cove or a simple roundover. Using this method allows me to frame the cut I want to make ahead of time without wasting a lot of time and stock on test cuts. Anytime I need to replicate an existing molding, my multi-profile bit almost always becomes part of making these shapes. As you use this bit, save samples of the various profiles that you mill with it. These can be cut into individual sample pieces that you can use to design large and complex moldings you may otherwise not be able to create. You can combine and stack these samples in whatever way you need to get the effect you're looking for, mapping out the shape you want before you even get started. And its usefulness is not limited to just small moldings. The multi-profile bit is also highly useful for milling complex profiles out of a solid block. A CAD program allows me to see the bit and the profile I wish to cut, so I can plan the cuts in sequence and the settings needed to make them, creating the profile I need in a logical pattern with a minimal amount of wasted stock. Whatever way you end up using it, the multi-profile bit packs a surprising level of usefulness in a single tool.